everyone, my name is Giovanni Seminor and I am Bachelor in Hospitality Management. Today I will be reacting video titled IoT Reaction which I was watched on YouTube. This discuss how IoT is making life easier but also highlight serious security concern that users should be aware of. What is IoT? IoT is short-term form of Internet of Things or IoT, which refers to an Internet of physical device like appliances, vehicle, and sensor, with a software and connectivity that allow them to collect and exchange data over the Internet, essential making things smart and interconnected. The example include smart home, gadget, wearable tech, and industrial sensor. The device help collect, analyze, and share data, improving how we interact with technology. How IoT changing the world? There are four: smart, smart home, healthcare, healthcare revolution, smarter transportation, and industrial and business advancement. First, smart home. IoT allow people to control appliances remotely. Smart light, security, camera, and voice assistant like Alexa and Google Home make life easier. For example, you can adjust your thermostat or lock your door using your phone app. Second, healthcare revolution. IoT improving healthcare through wearable device like smartwatch that track health rate, sleep pattern, and oxygen level. Hospital use IoT for remote patient monitoring, helping doctor track health condition in real time. Smarter transportation, car or GPS system, and smart traffic light, making travel safer and more efficient. Ride sharing. Service like Uber rely on IoT for real-time tracking and routine optimizing. Industrial and business advancement. Factorized use IoT for automatic predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring, increase efficient and reducing waste. Benefits of IoT: increase efficient and productivity, enhance convenience and automatic in daily life, improve safety in healthcare, transportation, and security. Um, Disadvantage of IoT: cybersecurity threat hacker can access personal data if devices are not secured. Privacy concern. IoT device constantly collect and share information. High cost. Advanced IoT setup can be expensive to install and maintenance. My personal insight. I find IoT to be a fascinating and powerful technology. I would love to use smart home device for convenience. However, I think it's important to stay aware of security risks and take precision like using strong password and keeping device update. Overall, IoT is transforming the world and I believe it will continue to evolve and improve our life. And that's all. Thank you.